Here in this video, we are going to discuss 6 tricks which you can perform to become a highly successful person. So let's get started. Trick number 1. Utilize your time wisely. Successful people never waste their time. Instead, they use their time wisely for their long-term thinking, which is very essential for becoming successful in life. Some entrepreneurs, philanthropists, and highly successful people like Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs have got tremendous success in their lives because of following these methods. Successful people always make a plan for achieving their predetermined goals and follow it with their full might. And in the end, they get the results they want from it. In this way, they utilize their time too, which helps them to grow faster in expanding their knowledge, business, and almost anything they want to achieve in their life. Trick number 2. Never stop learning new things. I will tell you one short story about Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was a college dropout in 1973, but he still occasionally hung around the campus of Reed College. He went to and audited the occasional classes. One of those classes was calligraphy. Jobs said, "If I had never dropped out, I would have never dropped in on this calligraphy class, and personal computers might not have the wonderful typography that they do now." Of course, it was impossible to connect the dots looking forward when I was in college, but it was very, very clear looking backwards 10 years later. In Steve Jobs' life, learning a calligraphy class had a huge influence of typography in the Apple computers. From this story, it is clear that we should also not stop learning new things. Listen, study, understand, learn, repeat. Humans are amazing creatures because we can look at the world, make intellectual connections, and use those connections to make our lives better or potentially worse. This is what information allows us to do. Never turn your learning switch off. You never know when your flash of insight will come. So, try to become a lifelong learner. Trick number 3. Develop a set of positive affirmations for yourself. Affirmations are statements that are repeated often before you start your day and which sink into the subconscious mind, thereby releasing its enormous power to materialize the intention of the words and phrases in the outside world. This does not mean that every word you utter will bring results. In order to trigger the subconscious mind into action, the words have to be said with attention, intention, and with feelings. In order to obtain positive results, affirmations have to be phrased in positive words. Take a look at the following 2 sentences. I am not weak anymore. I am strong and powerful. Though both sentences seem to express the same idea but in different words, the first one is a negative sentence. It creates in the mind a mental image of weakness. This is wrong wording. The second sentence awakens in the mind a mental image of strength. It is not enough to say an affirmation a few times and then expect your life to change. It is important to affirm with attention, as well as with strong desire, faith, and persistence. If you want to know more about how to make good affirmations and use them for achieving the predetermined goals in your life, then you can watch my new upcoming video on the topic, how to make positive affirmations to achieve anything you want to accomplish. Trick number 4. Stop thinking, start doing. If you have an idea for a startup which you want to start and you are very committed and passionate for it, then you should stop thinking about executing this idea and start doing work on it. Because if you do the thing which you love the most, no one can stop you from achieving success in that field. Some teenagers are even successful in their teenage years because they followed their passion and started working on for it. Sachin Tendulkar, Mark Zuckerberg, Justin Bieber, and some other people, to name the few, are at the peak in their fields because they started working on their passion from an early age. So, what are you waiting for? Find your passion and start working on it every day. And one day you will become a successful person in this world that no one ever dreamed of. Trick number 5. Change your perspective towards your life. Changing your perspective from negative to positive can bring an ultimate change in your life. For example, you are in a meeting and you get a call from your business associate and you can't respond him the way you used to respond earlier, and that person doesn't know that you are in a meeting. Then he makes the assumption that you don't want to maintain business relationship with him, and he doesn't receive your call when you try to call back after that meeting, and then there develops a conflicty situation between you both, that too without any reason. So here comes our point, that if the business associate would have changed his perspective at the time when you didn't answer his call as the way you used to earlier, you should have thought for a while that you must be busy. That's why you didn't responded with the gratitude as earlier, and then he would also have didn't got the chance to get angry on you, and your business relationship may not be destroyed. That's the reason why we should always be positive about our surroundings and people, because they are the one who are going to help you in achieving success. Trick number 6. Don't fear taking risks. You don't achieve your dreams by playing it safe. Risk taking won't only potentially benefit the career path you are already on, it may actually open you up to the world of possibilities you have yet to consider. Once Mark Twain said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sail, explore, dream, discover. Keep this quote in your mind and never fear to take risks because they are one of the stepping stones to success. So, these were 6 tricks you should perform if you want to achieve tremendous success in your life. Share this video if you want others also to succeed in their life because unsuccessful people they want others to fail and successful people they want others to succeed. Subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified about our new uploads about some new awesome life hacks which you can use to get the most out from your life. Thanks for watching.